What's going on, guys? Long time no see. I just wanted to give you guys a quick life update since I know I haven't posted much. The Subaru that was in my old video that I said I was gonna fix up and sell, that's exactly what I did. I also got rid of the e70 that my wife and I had been dailying for about a year. I think you might have seen that once on the channel or not at all, I don't know. I didn't modify it at all, so there was no real point on putting it on the channel. So she just recently got a 2017 6.7 Super Duty Ford F-250. And then we got rid of the E70 and I picked this up for my daily. So this is obviously an E39 540i. It's a 2003. It is an automatic, but the automatic is like flawless in this thing. And when the automatic does fail, I'm just gonna 6-speed swap it, or at least that's the plan. So yeah, it's pretty clean. It's on eBay coilovers, unfortunately, but it's not slammed. It's like a perfect height. And the coilovers actually ride way better than some more expensive coilovers that I had been familiar with. So that was a nice surprise when I got a ride in it. I obviously didn't put the eBay coilovers in it. That was the previous owner. But it does have impars, parallels as well. And those look sick. So yeah, I'll just give you a quick little, it's got the Dove interior. I'm probably gonna swap the steering wheel out for a sport one. But yeah, it's pretty clean. It's not too bad. This is my first E39, surprisingly. I've always wanted a 540i, but for some reason I just never pulled the trigger on one. I've had a lot of BMWs, a lot of E46s, E53s. So yeah, this is what I'll be working on now. I'm just gonna clean the headlights up a little bit. They've got some decent fog on them, so I'm gonna do the windshield too. It has a lot of water spotting, so that's why I brought that out. Another update, we are in the process of selling the house. It will be sold by, God, what is it? The end of July, so the end of this month. It's like a guaranteed sell. It's pretty much brand new. You guys remember when I had it built and just moved into it, so shouldn't be a problem selling it. And then we're gonna be buying land and building a house with some acreage on it, so I can make videos and not have to worry about looking weird in front of my neighbors because I'll be on our own piece of property. So we'll be living with a friend of ours in the meantime. They're super cool. He is also a car guy, so that's cool for me. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I know time gets away from us, and I haven't made a video for a while, so this is just kind of where I'm at right now. Lots of stuff happening in the next couple of months. Like I said, I won't be in my own house for probably a year, maybe more, while we're finding land and building one. So videos may be limited, but I will do the best I can. Yeah, hope everything's going good with you guys. Hope you're staying healthy, staying happy. So yeah, I'm not sure when I'll be posting another video. Feel free to comment on my old ones if you have questions or whatnot. I'll try to get back to you. If you ask me a question that I covered in the video, I'm not gonna answer it though, because it just means you didn't watch the video and you just like slammed the keyboard with a bunch of questions that I already answered. So if you could just watch the video and then ask me questions if you have any after that. But yeah, have a good one, guys.